Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus, let's go for settings. Right now we have to go for the more connections, enter printing, and right now just tap on the default print service. And here we are our printer HP Color LaserJet Pro, and it automatically connects this printer to our smartphone. But if you have any problems and your smartphone cannot find your printer, you have to go back and select Add Service. And right now we move to the Play Store, but it's not working right, so you have to move for the App Gallery and just download the plugin for your printer. So if you are using for example, the Brother printer, just tap Brother, type Brother, and you have to get this plugin, one of this plugin, and then you will find right here the Brother print service, and everything will be work. So if you want to print something, you have to go for the thing. I'm going for the images, for example. Click on the more, tap on the print or export to PDF, select the printer right here, and right now all we have to do is just to click on this printer icon. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.